welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back. So today, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna do a quick clean with me. So let's talk and let's get to work.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I have stuff from a painting that I'm going to be doing, a painting set with Faye. I have my Cricut still on there because that's how I used it. I have the steamer. I have clothes over there on the hooks from my Poshmark haul. And then I just finished recording my Amazon try-on haul. So I just have things everywhere. It's just stuff, y'all. And the kitchen is just the kitchen. I just didn't probably straighten up this morning, so we're gonna get it together. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna go ahead and take down all of my equipment from my, not sit down video, but my Amazon haul. So if you haven't seen it, I'll put it up down below or up top so you can watch it after this video. So I need to just take this all apart, go take it back to the back bedroom where it's supposed to be. You know, if you do YouTube, you already know setting up for sit down videos is a lot because you got to get your lighting together, your ring lights together, and all that other jazz. And I have my monitor down there because I like to watch myself as I'm recording to make sure I'm in frame and everything. So we're just basically about to take all this down, put it up, put it back up where it is supposed to be. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some of the clothing back in this bag. These are clothes that I have not uploaded to my Poshmark closet, so make sure you check my Poshmark closet out. So I just keep them in that bag, because then I will know what items that I need to upload to my Poshmark and put on there. And these are just my lights, bulbs from my lighting, what do you call them? Studio lights. I just need to put those back up because I broke one when I had to put it back in the plastic. So now I make sure I put them back in the plastic and put them back in boxes because don't nobody have time to be buying new light bulbs. So yeah. And yes, those are lawn chairs sitting in my living room. We had them. We were sitting out on the porch. We really need to. We have a very small porch, so we don't have any furniture out there. And we went to sit on the porch, so that is why they are sitting in the den. They just, not the den, the living room. They just never made it back to their home. Alright, so the living room is just about straightened up. Just need to move the couch and fix the diffuser over there. So it's midweek, so I didn't clean like the tables or anything because they're not really dusty. I didn't need to do like a deep clean. But yeah, it is back, straightened up, clean, looking all nice, comfy. Makes you just want to sit down and relax. But since it is midweek, I'm actually not going to use my actual vacuum. I'm just going to go ahead and turn on Roomba. And I'm going to let it vacuum for at least 45 minutes. I love this thing because it can go through the entire house and I don't have to worry about it. It just goes, and once it's finished, it goes back to its home. It was definitely worth the investment. am super proud of these paintings right here. Well, not paintings, you guys, but I actually used my Cricut to heat press those onto there. We're going to do like a paint and sip at the house, me and babe, so I'm really excited about that. But now the dining room is clean. I'm just going to leave my laptop still plugged up because my Amazon haul is uploading to YouTube. So I'm just going to let it sit there so it can upload. I don't want to mess it up. So let's move right along to the kitchen. Now the kitchen is not that dirty. However, I just got stuff all over the counters that I didn't put up. So we're just going to tidy up a bit in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some dishes in the dishwasher. Now, what I do to wash my dishes dishwasher may be a little strange, maybe you don't do it, but you're going to see in a minute. I'm actually going to use some baking powder. Is it baking powder or baking soda? I don't know, the one in the orange bag. It is baking soda. I'm actually going to pour some of that at the bottom of my dishwasher, and then I'm going to put some vinegar on there so it's going to bubble up. I love using this because it keeps my dishwasher super clean. It doesn't have any type of awkward smell when my dirty dishes are in there. So it's kind of like I feel like I'm cleaning my dishwasher while I'm cleaning my dishes. I truly love this. You should definitely try it out. Let me know how you like it, but it just keeps my dishwasher fresh. Even when dirty dishes are in there, there's no goop gunk at the bottom of it. So that's just what I do for my dishwasher, to just keep it nice and clean. Currently, to clean my countertops, I just use this 409. It's like a multi-purpose, multi-surface cleaner. I really love it. It just makes sure my counters are super clean. Currently, I don't know what type of countertop this is. It was like this when we bought the house. I'll just be so glad when we finally remodel our kitchen and get better countertops. But this right here does the job. It just keeps them clean, gets all the stickiness out of it. So yeah. If you haven't tried it, let me know. But if you have tried it, let me know how you like the 409. I love it. I always buy it. Sometimes hard to find though. But let me know in the comment section if you use 409. Alright, to clean my floors, I'm going to use this Fabuloso Green Apple and also this Sanitized Spritz Spray. I love it. It just kind of disinfects the house too as well. This steamer, floor steamer, I actually got from my mother. Y'all, I love it because I can go ahead and put my Fabuloso in there and also like my disinfectant in there and steam my floors. My floors does not take a long time to dry, and for midweek it's perfect because I can just quickly do it. I don't have to run a lot of water, but I can go ahead and just clean our floors midweek because we usually come in through the garage, so it's perfect. I'm going to put it on high though. I always do high on these floors just to get the steam going. But like I said, we always come in through the garage, so a lot of our foot traffic comes through the garage and into the kitchen. So it's not really the front of the house. The kitchen gets the most traffic. So even though we take our shoes off in the garage, sometimes we don't, especially if we have to run to the restroom. So just getting these floors clean really quickly, making sure they're sanitized. It's just perfect. And I just really love this steamer. Let me know if you got a floor steamer at the house. If you do, let me know how you love it and what do you put in yours. You just seen what I put in mine to disinfect my floors, but let me know what you do. So here's the kitchen. We got the countertop straight. We got the floor swept, got the floor steamed and clean. It's smelling fresh. And we have the dishes going in the dishwasher. Come on, multitasking. Now, let's go ahead and move on to the, well, should I say move back to the dining room right quick. I'm going to go ahead and steam these floors. And these actually will be the last thing I have to do for my little midweek cleaning. So yeah, I love this because I can just keep the house clean midweek without doing like deep cleaning. But when it's time to deep clean, it's not that bad because it's just a midweek pick me up. 30 minutes. That's it, y'all. 30 minutes to get your house clean.
So if you've made it this far in the video, you made it to the end, I just want to say thank you for watching this video all the way through. And if you have not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video. So until next time, I'll see you later.